Alright, so this is a clearance item out of the tool aisle. I think these are normally over $9 for some reason. I think I got it for like $2.50, $2, something like that. The question is what is this, and why would you even want this? It's already a thing that nobody wants, a multi-tool. But why would you want a little axe on there? What is this, and why would you want it? And how are we getting 12 tools out of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hammer, 7 pouch. And what in the world are the other made up 5 ones going to be? Unless you get your limited lifetime warranty. What is this, and why would you want it? Axe, ruler. Oh, it's got a ruler. Oh, look at that. Large slotted screwdriver. Fish scaler. Okay. File saw. Hook remover. Knife. Phillips screwdriver. Bottle opener. Because none of these other things can open a bottle, right? You just put the cap of the bottle there and, you know, go pop, pop, anywhere. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, multiple size wrench key, multiple size. Hammer, multiple size. How is that multiple size? Oh, yeah. Because it's, you know, tapered, do you call it? Let's just open this up. Let's just get it done. Get her done. I wish I had a multi-tool so I could open this, right? Oh. I wish I had a multi-tool so I can pick that up. Multi-tool. Look at this. File, can opener, fish scaler, everything. Fish digger, fish stomper. Look at that. That foot is multi. So from the looks of this, the axe part, which is the piece that's going to cut you, is going to be exposed. Wait, is it going to fit in there? Let's give it a chance. Ooh, that feels like real wood grain, baby. Yeah, nothing like real wood grain out there in the fishing area. The wood lasts forever. You know what I mean? This thing has got some bulk to it. The edges are pretty sharp. Yeah, that's a pretty sharp. You couldn't dull those down, baby. You know what I mean? Hart doesn't look really sharpened good. And it looks sharp. I mean, it kind of feels sharp, but it won't. It's not shaving. I don't know what you're gonna do with that. Is that to cut a fish bone or something? I don't even know. No clue what you would need a hatchet for. Oops. Need a tool. Need a tool to pick that up. Thank you. Need a tool to get this to stay on there. Need a multi-wrench. Oh, there we go. It's snapped in. There you go. User error. Oh, here's the UPC. Did I get the name of this thing? Oh, man. 12-in-1 Hatchet. You just search for Hatchet, Hart Hatchet. I have no clue how useful that is going to be. Is this a dude? Is that a thing? Definitely wood. Definitely real wood. Wonder how that is on there. Glued. Let's see if we open this up. Stainless, baby. You got some oil on it. It's a little sharp. Let's see the next one. It's our multi-tool saw. This thing is pretty sharp. Them teeth is them teeth is sharp. Is this our screwdriver? Our screwdriver something, and it's inches. Is there millimeters? No millimeters. Oh, we got a file. Look at that. Really dumping on all the extras. And let's close these because they are sharp. Can opener. Got this odd film over everything. An Allen wrench that isn't going to fit anything. It's mostly rounded. I mean, they're all like that. It's totally useless. Is there like glue in there? Is it glued on? Is that wax? I don't know what that is. Yeah, so those are hammered in rivets. Yeah. It's like they put it down and just hammered and flattened them. And made it tight. So yeah, there it is. I have no clue what this is for. Why would you want it? No idea. It's just a Christmas gift. Why do I own it? Oh, look at that. It does get in there. So you can get in there. It's your multi-tool hatchet. You could use that to cut some wire or something. Put that on your tool belt. And you just wear it like a ring. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. Hammer. No, I don't know what you would need a hatchet for. I mean, it's got a lot of weight to it to get that hatchet to do something. I don't know. Alrighty then. You do know it's got a limited lifetime warranty. Wonder how you get that going. You got to do proof of purchase. All right. I'm getting dizzy. You're like a racehorse. Got your tongue out. Where'd you go? Oh man, I'm gonna puke on you. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. Whoa, you alright? Yeah. Oh my God.